In this video, you will learn how to earn money by watching videos. More, you will learn payup.video app real or fake, and how to sign up this app to earn money online. I copied website URL to paste in Scam Advisor to check if payup is real or fake. Look, its score is 82 and positive comment. It shows you can join it and work with them. I hope you feel it's real and true paying website. So join now. Write your email address here and type strong password. Click on small box where written I am not robot. When verification done 100%, then click on sign up. Now I am successfully log in my account. Look, my account, it shows 0 balance. Now click on YouTube for earn money. Look, here is view button, click on it. You will see the new page will open and upload some page of video. When page open, click on play button, showed emit the video in red color. The time is running and video is playing now. After video successful played, look, the message, your view has been counted, and you have got 0.00 to $1. Look, the tasks is completed. Look here, available now 250 tasks or videos to earn money, and available for today 1099 tasks or videos to earn money. So click one by one and earn money as I show you today available video or tasks. By doing these tasks or watching videos, you can earn small peanuts of cash. When you grow yours levels, you will earn more. Click on referrals. You can earn more by referrals. Copy your referrals link and share on your social media or where you want. When someone join using your referral link, you will earn more on different level from their earning. Now check how you get payout from here. Using payeer, AdCash, Tron TRX, Dogecoin, you can take your withdrawal and minimum payout is $1. I am weak, low understanding, low knowledge. I do not have much idea about such things. I shared with you as much information as I had in my experience. I hope you will join and take small benefit from this little verified knowledge. Thanks for watching.